So today, I forced my mom to help me make St. Patrick's Day clover pretzels. They are very easy and a great project that kids can also make, just like me. Wait, am I a kid? Well, let's get on with the project. Just make sure that your Walmart actually stocks green candy melts at St. Patrick's Day. Ours only had one single thing of candy melts that were green. It's great. So you take mini size pretzels, pretzel sticks, and green candy melts. Pour candy melts into a microwave safe bowl. Microwave for 1 minute at 50% power until melted. Well, you have to repeat it until melted. That's what I meant. Dip 3 mini pretzels into candy melts and place them into a clover shape. Dip and add pretzel sticks to make stem. Add extra candy melt to the middle to make sure the stem stays attached. That's it. That's all. It's really that easy. It's like under 15 minutes. So go do it. If you don't, well, kids will be disappointed in you. Yeah, Karen, do it now.